Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you are running TikTok ads and want to track conversions like purchases, sign-ups, or even page views, installing the TikTok Pixel on Squarespace is more than essential. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you step by step how to actually integrate Squarespace with TikTok Pixel in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go all the way to create a TikTok pixel by going to the Ads Manager there, open Events, and create a new pixel. All you're gonna do then, copy the pixel code, choose Manual Setup, and copy the full code. It's time now to go to Squarespace, basically the login or the website where you should usually just push your email address and password, then go in all the way to the settings. As for now, go all the way to either developer tools. You have external API keys integrated with services like Google Analytics, Amazon, and basically every other detail. Go through there. It's time to basically paste your pixel code in header, paste the TikTok pixel code into the header section, then save the changes. So basically all you're gonna do is save the changes and make sure your website is fully published. We can even go to the edit website here. As you see, we have also a couple of options that you can do. Just tap on edit. So basically when you are fully done from editing, tap on save, then go and publish your website. Then you can verify the pixel installation. Use TikTok Pixel Helper to confirm it's fake, basically firing correctly. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.